Today's video, I'll be trying to resolve this issue. It says recovery, your PC device needs to be repaired. Boot configuration data file doesn't contain valid information for an operating system. So file /boot/BCD. BCD means boot configuration data, and that data has been corrupted, so you can't boot from your computer. So the only way you can boot from it is by simply using a USB flash drive with your operating system on it. For me, I'll be using a USB Windows 10 flash drive. You could also use a DVD with Windows 10 or Windows 11 on it to repair this problem. And we'll do this next. So I have to go into my, what is it called? It's called my BIOS, and set it to the USB device so I can boot from it. So I'll restart the computer. Put your flash drive in there before you do this. Press F2 for me. Okay, so now I'm in my BIOS, as you can see. I want to simply go into the boot menu, click on UEFI, PNY USB 2.0. This is my USB device. This is what I'm going to boot from. This may take several minutes for it to boot up into Windows. So just be patient and let it boot up. Okay, so now I'm in Windows. So I'm going to press Shift and F10 to go inside the DOS prompt. Now I'm in DOS prompt. I'm going to type in a few things. Okay, that's done. Okay, for some reason, if this does not work, because sometimes that method doesn't work, can't just typing in boot rec / rebuild BCD may not work. So if it doesn't work, there's another method that you can use to get it to work, and I'll show you how to do that. I think you type in Diskpart. Type in list disk. Select the one that has your operating system on it. For me, that would be disk 1. For you, it may be something else. Make sure you select the right one or it's not going to work. I have many hard drives, so I know which one my computer boots from. So it's disk 1. For most people, it's probably disk 0. Most people don't have multiple hard drives. If they just have one hard drive, it's probably going to be disk 0. So I'm going to select disk 1, sorry. Okay. So I selected disk 1. Now I have to type in list partition. Here I have some options. Usually BCD is on primary, as you can see. Primary here. It's not on the 465 gigabyte. That's where the operating system is at. It's probably going to be partition 1, the 100 megabyte. The others, it's not in systems and it's not in recovery, so it's in primary. It's not the bigger part of the hard drive. It's going to be the smaller part, only 100 megabytes. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select partition 1. I'm going to type in active now. Now that's active. It says the active command can only be used on fixed MBR disks. Okay. Now I'm going to exit. I'm going to find out where my operating system is at. Not C drive. I think it's D drive. Because it has Windows on it. And this is about 500 gigabytes. It's this one. Make sure you select the right one. I think it's usually D. But you just have to check to see which drive it is. Just to make sure. Okay, so I'm going to type in BCD boot space D colon / Windows. See if that works. So boot file successfully created. If it says it's corrupted or something, then you just have to type in BCD boot space D drive colon / Windows and it should work. So what I'm going to do now is exit. Then press escape and press no. Escape. Yes, I'm going to press F2 to go back into the BIOS. For you, it may be something different. Okay, right now it's booting up. That's good. That's all you have to do to get BCD repaired in Windows. Now my computer has booted up in Windows. It's working. That's it. Thanks for watching.